Hello everyone. It is indeed a very difficult time for us, with the COVID virus displacing families, separating loved ones, and causing economic crisis the world over. The only thing we can do is to stay safe and stay at home. But there are also times when we need to leave home to pick up those groceries or to go to the pharmacy, and most times you don't have a mask available. There are no surgical masks. People are getting together, stitching, making masks for hospitals, which could be washed, reused. This is the crisis that we're going through. I would like you to stay safe. As a sustainable designer, I'm going to teach you how to make a mask. A mask using just a plain t-shirt. There's going to be no stitching involved, no sewing, no needle, no thread. Just your hands and a t-shirt. It's going to help you. It's going to protect you. It's probably not going to be as efficient as a surgical mask, but some protection is better than no protection. Please stay safe, everyone.